Welcome today. Now let's discuss Xpeng's flying car revolution and the anxiety people are showing for it. Xpeng has become a name synonymous with rapid recognition in the global electric vehicle industry. It is now setting its eyes on the skies with an innovative flying car that has garnered more than 3,000 pre-orders. This spaceship-looking flying vehicle, created by Xpeng, immediately draws comparisons to the Tesla Cybertruck, fueling the dreams of both tech enthusiasts and car aficionados. But beyond the head-turning aesthetics, this flying car embodies a massive leap in technology and mobility. Is this how city mobility will finally take to the skies? Now let's get down to brass tacks about Xpeng's flying car, the technology involved, and what this will mean for the future of transportation. The new flying car by Xpeng seems like it was simply picked out from a book of science fiction stories and then given some styling cues from Tesla's Cybertruck. Sleek, angular, mostly made from lightweight carbon fiber, this is a vehicle that could take one with elegance from road to sky. From up close, it is minimalist and high-tech. The flush door handles are smooth, the plastic trim neat, not to mention the lack of side mirrors creates a clean, futuristic of its car body. Recently, I had an opportunity to sit inside one of Xpeng's flying cars on the interior side of an EV show in Melbourne, Australia. And yes, it was no less than impressive, to say the least. Despite its size, it felt pretty light due to the use of heavy carbon fiber. For some, flying in this vehicle may be daunting, but Xpeng has managed to combine advanced technology controls that one day may make flying a car as undaunting as driving one. While the dream of a flying car has captured imagination across generations, Xpeng is well on its way to turning it into reality. Meanwhile, the company just announced that it had received more than 1,000 confirmed pre-orders and as many as 2,000 intended orders. That early demand seems to indicate Xpeng's flying car has captured the public's imagination. Yet questions linger. Is this a gut-busting novelty item for the super wealthy or a meaningful step toward a new era in transportation? Priced at about 2 million RMB, around $300,000 USDs, this flying car surely falls into the category of a high-end luxury vehicle, at least for the foreseeable future. Production by Xpeng is scheduled to start in 2026, though mass sales are expected to kick off a bit earlier in 2024, thus giving ample time for would-be buyers to ready themselves for what could be the next great revolution in mobility. But at that price, and given the added complexity of taking out a pilot's license, never mind outside of China, it remains to be seen exactly how wide the appeal will be. But the company is clearly confident in the vehicle's potential, with plans to manufacture up to 10,000 units annually. One of the most exciting things about Xpeng's flying car is its autonomy. Just as Tesla wants self-driving cars, so too is Xpeng working on the technology that would allow the flying vehicle to virtually fly itself. A built-in GPS system allows users to input their destination, and the vehicle plots out the most efficient route, taking wind speeds, obstacles, and energy consumption into consideration. In the best-case scenario, the car will fly autonomously to a destination of choice with minimum human error. This might also make flying cars available to the mass public, requiring no training as pilots. The estimated current range for Xpeng's flying vehicle is about 70 kilometers, and flight routes will be changed with respect to environmental conditions. If the distance is too far or if the headwind is too strong, the adjustments in car route take place to ensure that flying is done safely. Similarly, for its control, the flying car has manual and autonomous driving modes for flexibility in different scenarios. The 800-volt architecture of the vehicle, together with the most advanced battery technologies, means it can achieve up to 1,000 kilometers based on CLTC standards when serving as a ground vehicle. In this way, that will probably be possible by making use of a high energy density battery, like a condensed battery by CATL, said to realize double the energy density of conventional lithium iron phosphate batteries. Impressive too is its charging speed, able to go from 30 to 80% in just 18 minutes, thanks to up to 560 kilowatt fast charging. Flying cars have, of course, been concept these last decades, and Xpeng's model is their 6th generation of flying vehicles. The earlier set of models came with a more drone-like design, wherein propellers are mounted atop sleek supercar-like bodies. However, the recent model is for a more multifunctional and practical car-aircraft combination. It basically comprises two building blocks, the vehicle itself and an aircraft carrier with rotors that can be folded. In this way, the car switches from drive to flight mode and vice versa. The modularity makes the landing and docking of the vehicle easier and hence friendlier to its users. Historically, flying cars have been plagued by regulatory, logistical, and technological problems. However, Xpeng is poised to overcome those challenges in China, especially with the relaxing regulations concerning low-altitude flights. The company hopes the shift in regulations and technological advancements will make the flying car a more realistic way to travel within the next decade. While all of us think that flying cars sound cool, it also instills great fear about safety concerns among people. Unlike driving on highways, flying is a three-dimensional affair where collisions might have disastrous consequences. Xpeng tries to put these concerns at rest with an advanced autopilot system capable of preventing mid-air collisions and other accidents. However, whether those technologies alone will be satisfactory for regulators in places like the United States or Europe remains to be seen. But the Chinese government appears more receptive to the idea, and Xpeng is well positioned to take full advantage of such a regulatory environment. Its strategic decision to focus first on the domestic market could give it a major head start against competitors. If flying cars are ever to go mainstream, though, then regulatory bodies around the world will have to establish some very clear guidelines for their use. And drivers, or rather, pilots, are going to have to be significantly trained. Ambitious, because Xpeng would be producing 10,000 flying cars yearly. While the company has proven its mantle in the EV market, making a flying car will be immensely greater in its challenges. Building a car that can double as an aircraft is a totally different ballgame when it comes to precision engineering, let alone safety testing. Then there's the infrastructure issue. Where will these flying cars land and take off? And how will air traffic be controlled when there are thousands in the air? Yet the company does not stay with that, and this November 14th of the current year, the company will present its flying car within the frames of the Guangzhou Auto Show. If it succeeds, then this may herald the era of a completely new dimension of personal transportation, the one capable of changing the very principles of traveling both within the city and from one city to another. The Xpeng flying car may be just the beginning of the greater mass transition to air transport. Full autonomy, along with further development of battery technology and supporting regulation, could make such flying cars a common sight in cities around the world in the future. Just imagine being able to avoid the traffic altogether, flying at speeds of 300 to 400 kilometers per hour to reach your destination, taking huge chunks out of any journey. While this might be a bit of a forward-looking future, Xpeng is laying the groundwork for it today. The question is less whether flying cars will exist, they already do, but whether they'll ever go mainstream. This decade might not widely see flying cars, but as technology continues to improve and regulatory frameworks start to adapt, it is not impossible to think of a world where flying cars will be as omnipresent as automobiles. Xpeng's flying car is an audacious vision of the future in transportation. With over 3,000 pre-orders in the bag, significant technological strides lately, and fast-changing regulations in China, Xpeng is ready to lead in the flying car revolution. Although it still has to overcome an extensive list of challenges from safety concerns to regulatory approval, the flying car gives a glimmer of a view into a future where the line between a car and an airplane gets increasingly blurred. Be it in a couple of decades or after a reasonable period of time, one thing stands prominent. Xpeng's flying car is more than just a concept. It marks the beginning of a new era in mobility.